All right. Hey, welcome to this video. Pay attention because I'm going to give you a free prize in this video. So here's what's doing. I came across this website, found it kind of interesting. I'm going to use it in interesting ways. I'm going to use it for giveaways. But what this is about is this is a place where you can come and you can buy mystery boxes for a couple of bucks, right? And you can potentially win some huge things. Now, everybody wins something. So, for example, let's take this iPhone 12 box. If I wanted to open it and see what I have in my box, it would cost me $2.99. Now, we can look and see potentially what I could win. I could win this new Apple iMac for $2,000. But it all goes all the way down to this 50-cent sticker. And I could win potentially anything in between. Now in a minute, I'm going to give away a bunch of these boxes for free. But first I want to go back and I want to show you what's doing. And below this video, there's a link to this website. And if you click on that link and come here, you will get one of these mystery boxes absolutely free. Cool, huh? So anyway, let me come back up here to the top nav and you'll see there's different categories for these. Here's the cent box. This is like bargain boxes, right? So you can buy a box for 99 cents. Let's look at this one, for example. 99 cents, and you can win merchandise worth up to $352. And of course, it goes down to like the 50-cent sticker thing. So let's go back. Electronics, take a look at that. We've got PS5 stuff. Hyper Beast, $2.99. So anyway, here's Razer Premium. I gave one of those away to one of my Kinghuman Elite students earlier today. And anyway, let's go back because I want to go to the official page and I want to pick something. Because I have 3 Kinghuman Elite students that I'm going to do this for live right now. Now, I asked them to pick the box that they wanted, and I gave them a price range, but I asked them to pick a box that they wanted. And they said, you do it for it. All 3 of them, right? So it's weird. So I don't know. I'm just going to pick something at random here for them, and we'll see what they win live. So I'm going to pick this Apple box. Now, this unboxing is going to be for number 1, right? Now, I talked to these guys, my Kinghuman Elite subscribers. 3 of them won the chance to win one of these boxes. And none of them wanted to show their name on screen, so you know who you are. This is number 1. This is person number 1. Your name starts with a D, and so you know who you are. Anyway, so let's go through this, and we'll see what happens. Now, again, let's look at the prizes all the way down to a sticker. That's probably what's going to be one, because let's face it, this is like a slot machine. You're going to see. This is like a slot machine, and what are the odds you're gonna put 10 bucks in a slot machine and win 2,600 bucks, or even 100 bucks? So anyway, let's see. You'll see how this works. Okay, this is for you, D, number 1. Here we go. Click on it. We're unboxing. Let's see what D wins. I bet it's a sticker. It's a sticker. Okay. Now, if you're going to do this, sorry, D, you have the choice of taking your sticker, or you can sell it back to the platform and get $2.50 for it and try again, right? So anyway, I'm not going to sell it back because maybe D wants this sticker, and I'll send it to him if he wants it. So now that was 1 down. Now I'm gonna pick another thing at random here. for contestant number 2. And remember, you guys can get one of these boxes for free just by going below this video and clicking on the link in the description. I've set it up so you get one of these boxes for free. Click on the link, go to it. Okay, I'm gonna try this one just at random, and this is for Kinghuman Elite student number 2. Wait a minute, I don't like these prizes. I'm gonna go back. Let's go to new boxes. Let's see what's in here. Any suggestions, guys? PC, what is this? PC stuff. This is all a bunch of stickers. I am not interested in giving people stickers. Okay, wow. $211 for that box. I'm trying to find like a $10 box because that's what I want to give away to people. $10 boxes to my Kinghuman Elite students. By the way, if you're not a Kinghuman Elite student, you should go check it out. Let's go back to electronics and find a $10 box. There's that Apple box for 10 bucks. Let's go to official. $10 box. Come on, where's a $10 box? $20. Here's a Nike $10 box. Okay. What can we win? We can win some shoes or a sticker, I'm sure. Yeah, there's stickers. Okay. Okay, this is for number 2. I've given you guys numbers ahead of time so you know who you are. I forget your name, I'm sorry. So anyway, let's see how this goes. It's gonna be a sticker, I bet. Good luck, Kinghuman Elite student number 2. Come on, big money, no whammies. Give them some shoes. Oh, a sticker. A $5, it's worth $5? Okay, whatever. What makes a sticker worth $5? I don't know. All right, anyway, now I need to give one more box away. Again, you can click the link below and do this to yourself. You know, the other thing this is cool for is to promote your YouTube channel, right? This could be a really cool thing to promote your YouTube channel. Look at Louis Vuitton box for 30 bucks. Now, I admit I haven't spent a lot of time in here doing this, so I don't know what, what the real deal is. Nike, $10. Let me find another $10 box. Here's a Supreme box. Okay, Supreme. Let's see. This is for Kinghuman Elite student number 3. Good luck, and let's punt and hope for a fumble. Come on, big money, no whammy. Stop, stop, go, go. Stop, go, stop, go, go, go. Stop, stop, go, 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 go. Gloves. Oh, it's always a sticker. I always get the little stuff. All right, sorry guys, I didn't win you anything good. But again, you guys, everybody watching can do this for free. If you click on the link below, just come here and get your free box. And then you can play as much or as little as you want. Kinghuman Elite students, this is going to be an ongoing thing for you guys. You don't have to enter. All you have to do is be a Kinghuman Elite member, and you'll be entered to win these mystery boxes. Every month I'll give away 5 or 10 of these boxes. I don't know. Just as a goof. By the way, interesting courses coming up in the January money pages on the kinghumanelite.com. You're not going to want to miss it. It's going to dial you guys in to making money online like I do. All right, maximum respect. Bye, Inara. Click the link below. Do it, don't do it. What do I care? I don't. But have fun. All right, cheers.